Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the fourth part of first chapter Knowing Our Numbers of class 6 subject mathematics, and I am Jai Prakash. Let's start the class. Now let's talk about today's topic. So today's topic is place value and face value. So now let's understand what is a place value. In your previous classes you have very well studied about it, that what is a place value. So let me define it. So place value, it shows the places, or we can say position, of a digit in a number. Okay, in a number. So as I have written, place value, it shows the places or position of a digit in a number. So let me explain how. Here I have taken a number. This is the place value chart and the number is 92,48,765. So in ones place, here we can see we have 5. So what is its place value? Ones means you have to understand this place. This is ones place, this is tens, and this is hundreds. So to find its value of this digit 5, so what we have to do? Ones means only 1, so you have to multiply with its places value. So 5 1 5. So 5 is the place value of 5. Now here is 6, and 6 is in tens place. So tens means 10. So 6 we have to multiply with 10. So we will get 60. In the same way, here is 7 hundreds. So 7 into, we have to multiply with 100. So we will get 700. So 700 is the place value of 7. Similarly, here we have 8. So the place is 1000. So 8 we have to multiply with 1000. So we will get 8000. So this is the place value of 8. Similarly, here we have 4 and the place is 10,000. So 4 into it will be 10,000. So we will get 40,000. It means the digit we have to multiply with the value of the place. Okay. Now let me take another one. Okay. Here we have another number. This is 34 crore 89 lakhs 6,125. So let me find the place value of each digit in this number. So first here I have 5. So its place value will be 5 because it is in ones place. Now here is 2 tens. 2 tens means it will be 2 into 10. So we will get 20. So 20 will be the place value of 2. Here is 1. So 1 we have to multiply with 100. So 100, 100. So 100 is the place value of 1. Here we have 6 and the place is 1000. So 6 into 1000. We will get 6000. Now come to 0. 0 is in 10,000. So when you will multiply 0 with 10,000, you will get 0. Now next is 9 and the place is lakh. So 9 you have to multiply with 1 lakh. Okay. So 9 into 1 lakh I have to write. So total we will get 9 lakh. So 9 lakh is the place value of 9. Here we have 8 and the place is 10 lakhs. So here we will write 8 and multiply with 10 lakhs. So it will be 80 lakh. Here you can write 80 lakh is the place value of 8 in this number. Now here we have 4. So 4 we have to multiply with the place is crore. So with 1 crore we have to multiply. So let me put the zeros. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, now this is, so its value will be 4 crore. And the last digit is 3. and the place is 10 crore. So with 10 crore I have to multiply 3. So we will get 30 crore. In this way we found the place value of these all big numbers. Now it's time for face value. So what is a face value? Okay, let me come to the face value. So in a simple way I can define it. Face value shows the value of the digit itself. How? Let me explain. Here in the second number, this is 34 crore 89 lakhs 6,125. So the face value of 5 will be 5 here. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 1 is 1. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 0 is 0. Face value of 9 is 9. Means the digit itself will be its value. Similarly, the face value of 3 will be 3. Okay, the value is the digit itself. Remember it in the face value. Now here we can take a question. What question? That find the difference of the place value and face value of 9 in this number, right? So place value, first we have to write place value of 9. So what is the place value of 9? It is 9 lakh it will be, okay, because the place is lakh. So 9 lakh it will be. And face value of 9 is 9 only. So now let's find their difference. So how much it will be? Here will be 1, and in other places, let me write here properly 1. Okay, just wait. Okay, here I will get the difference as 1. Then in other places 9, 9, then 9, 9, another 9, 9, and here 8. So this is the difference of the place value and face value of 9 in this number. In this way you can make more questions and you can solve that. Let me give you one question for it. Now you have to find the difference between the place value and face value of digit 6 in this number. Okay, solve it and answer it in the comment section. You have to find the difference of the place value and face value of digit 6 in this number. Now students, come to the next. Here we have a practice session. Now in this session we have a table, and first column is for numbers, second is for digit, third is for place value, and fourth is for face value. So first number is 34,56,103 and the digit is given 6. So we have to find the first place value of digit 6 in this number. So 6 is in which place? This is in thousand place. So 6 and 4 zeros, and the face value will be 6 itself. Now here is 4, and the 4 is in crore place. You can see that. So here you can write 4 crore, and the face value will be the digit itself, means it will be 4. So now there is another way, and that is a very easy way to find the place value of these numbers in an easy way. How? In this number 34,56,103, you can see that we were finding the place value of 6, right? So by multiplying the value of the place, like 6 into 1000, then we got 6000, right? But there is another way. What is that? First write 6, then count the digits after 6. So here we have 1, 2 and 3. So you can put 3 0 only. Yeah, you can see the answer is same, 6000, 6000 in both conditions. Similarly in the for the second question we have we were finding the place value of 4. So here we have 4. So write 4 and count the digits after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Just put 7 zeros after 4. So in this way you can find the place value of these numbers by counting the digits only. Okay, but if you want to solve by taking a solution, so you will just write 4 and you have to multiply with 1 crore. Then in that condition you will also get 4 crore. You can see both numbers are same. So in this way we have done it, and now it's time to give you some questions for practice. So students, here you have to find the place value and face value of digit 5 in this number, and place value and face value of 7 in the second number. Okay, here you have to write the answers. In this way this session is over. So see you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.